Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. So log into your Facebook account and go to your profile, click on this drop down menu here and select create page, and we're going to create a business page. So click on get started here under business or brand. Here is where you put your page name. Page name should be your business name. If you haven't come up with a business name yet, just think of something for now. So in this example, I'm just going to call this the frog. You can come up with your own. And then come down to category. So what's happening here? After you've filled in these details here, just click continue. And then you should be presented with this page. So add a profile picture and upload from here. Your profile picture should be your business logo. So if you follow the topics in the course as they are, you will see that we're trying to help you guys to set up your business page, logo, tin, all this stuff. Let's pretend this is my logo. Just uploaded a picture here, and now it says upload a cover photo. So if you have any other picture, I'm just going to put the logo again. Now you can see my new page here. So there's my logo, and here is my cover photo. You can readjust those later. So from your business page here, you should then add some items into your shop, and if you're going to provide a service, you should do it from here. Okay, that's how to create a business page. After this video, then I'll show you how to add a shop to your page and put the products inside. So do this step first.